Good afternoon from the National Scenic Area of Hualien. After arriving in Hualien City on the Zhejiang Express train, I am going to drop off my backpack at my hotel. Nestled in the older part of downtown Hualien, Fupin Hotel offers convenient access to local delights, including famous street food stalls and Dongdamen Night Market. While it's a 36-minute walk from Hualien Railway Station, the hotel thoughtfully provides a complimentary taxi service upon arrival. At Hualien train station, just grab a cab, present your receipt at check-in, and the fare will be reimbursed. However, return shuttle service is limited to post-10 a.m. departures, something to keep in mind for early morning travelers. From the moment I stepped into the bright and spacious lobby, I felt welcomed. The front desk team is exceptionally kind, proactive, and fluent in English. They go the extra mile, offering umbrellas on rainy days and assisting with bicycle rentals for me. Payment is hassle-free with options ranging from credit cards to Taiwan Pay and cash. For 1,750 new Taiwan dollars per night, I booked a superior double room, 16 square meters, but I was delighted to find myself in what seemed to be a deluxe double room, 23 square meters. An unexpected but welcome upgrade. The hardwood floors, king-sized bed, not two singles pushed together, and a moderate firm mattress made for a restful stay. Pillows and quilts were just right, neither too soft nor too firm. The cleanliness was impeccable. The housekeeping team takes hygiene seriously, maintaining spotless bathrooms and shiny floors. Daily light cleaning is standard, but guests can opt out for privacy. There's no wardrobe, just drawers and 2 wooden hangers. More can be available upon request. It's a bit sparse but manageable. A sleek marble desk and comfortable chair made it easy to get some reading done before heading out. The aircon worked well, though I hardly needed it in Hualien's cool spring weather. Some guests have reported thin walls, but I found my room quiet and well ventilated, thanks to mesh window grills that allowed for fresh night air. Complimentary snacks and beverages are provided. The mini fridge is spotless and stocked with 2 complimentary bottles of water daily. The hair dryer is powerful yet gentle. The printed instructions made the TV remote easy to use, allowing me to enjoy the many available channels. The bathroom is a standout. It is clean, well lit, and separated into wet and dry areas. A bath mat helps prevent slips. The rain shower and strong water pressure made for a spa-like experience, while thoughtful touches like a toilet seat sanitizer and soap holder added to the hotel's hygiene-first approach. Free hand soap is available upon request, in line with Taiwan's single-use plastic regulations. Complimentary filtered water is available in the lobby, reducing the need for plastic bottles. The laundry room, located on the 6th floor, is open daily from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. It is fully stocked with detergent, laundry balls, and bags, perfect for long-term travelers. Guests can freely use the well-maintained Merida bikes, including those with child seats, making it easy to explore Hualien. Covered private parking is available but limited. Fupin Hotel no longer provides breakfast, but with Hualien's vibrant food scene just outside, you won't miss it. Nearby breakfast spots are plentiful and affordable. Overall, Fupin Hotel delivers exceptional value, cleanliness, and service, making it an excellent choice for travelers looking for comfort and convenience in Hualien City. With thoughtful touches like a seamless taxi reimbursement system, free bike rentals, and a well-stocked laundry room, this hotel caters perfectly to independent travelers who appreciate genuine hospitality. I would absolutely stay here again.